Welcome. Today, let's make your Messenger group chats even more fun by learning how to react to messages with emojis using the latest update. Have you ever wanted to quickly show your feelings about a message without typing a reply? Messenger's emoji reactions are perfect for this. Whether it's a funny photo, an important update, or just a message that made your day, you can let everyone know how you feel with just a tap. Here's how to do it. First, open the Messenger app on your device. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and sign in. Once you're in, look for the group chat where you want to react to a message. Tap to open the group conversation and scroll to the message you want to respond to. Now press and hold the message. After a second, you'll see a row of emojis pop up on your screen. These are the quick reactions. You'll usually see options like thumbs up, heart, laughing face, and more. To react, simply tap the emoji that matches your mood, and your reaction will instantly appear beneath the message for everyone in the group to see. But what if you want to use a different emoji? No problem. Just tap the plus icon, usually found at the end of the emoji row. This opens up the full emoji menu, letting you choose from all the emojis available on Messenger. Scroll through and pick the one that best fits your reaction. Once you tap it, your chosen emoji will show up as your reaction on the message. That's it. You've just reacted to a message in your Messenger group chat. This feature is a great way to express yourself quickly and keep the conversation lively, even when you don't have time to type out a full response. So next time someone shares exciting news or a hilarious meme, try reacting with an emoji. It's simple, fast, and adds a little extra fun to your group chats. Happy chatting.